What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
He dropped.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going here. I don't know, so they're attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. My people giving thanks to life as usual. Zine, big up on yourself, people. Remember, follow the new IG, my people. Please support the thing because a lot of video people that I can't post here. You have to follow the IG and link up, and there you will get the video. Because right now I'm going to cover a story, people, which I have exclusive video from. And anybody want to see this video footage, you have to please follow the Instagram. You understand? You can check the community section for the link, or you can check in the description for the link underneath the video, and there I will forward, just DM me on Instagram and boom, you don't know the thing. Please follow the thing. Please share the Instagram, people. Please ask a friend, ask everybody to follow the thing, because them aqua previous page people and we lose it got deleted and thing, you don't know, so the fight is on. So please build up back the thing, people. More love, more respect. So now, people, I'm going to talk about two incidents that took place in Jamaica, because these are two similar incidents, people, and which in these incidents, but not tell a lie, people, JPS I get the William. No joke about it, because the people must say, yo, JPS nah clean them like wire at Jamaica. And because of this, people, two young men has lost their life in Jamaica. See? So go back forward, people. It's about a first incident that took place where a young man has lost his life, people, after picking mangoes in Spanish Town. I mean, I tell your viewers and subscribers, yo, only just sees and he knows. Because I have the video, people. I watch the video, and when me see people in the mango trees, like the man itch up in the tree with the wire and him a burn up people, and then the power with the flames and everything, you understand, just chop the tree limb when him itch up on people, and the man drop, and when he drop people, yo, me never want say it, people, the man bust up star, Jaja. Yeah, man, me say the man. Yeah, I see the video, people, and I have to say only Jah sees and he knows, my viewers and subscribers. So right about now, people, I have a piece of clipping, you understand, and this is where a female who know the deceased, you understand, who fell out the mango tree, people, and she give a speech and a talk, and I say, yo, like, certain things could have happened, people, and like, call, but on a real level, me not thinking could have make it or then could have save him, but maybe what she has said then could have get him, but I don't know, people. Only thing I could have said, if the wire then did a clean, in the alright, because you the current would eat him up there in the mango tree. There's some people, not just sees and he knows, man. But when I say not the people that are electric current, he would make it in burn, yo, Jaja. So just watch that piece of clippings of people.
Me run a task pen and me hear say current whole usher. Just when me come here, me come see it transformer burst. And fire, it limb bust, the limb drop down. And there is everybody a look. If we are me ignorant, me say to the police officer, you could not even do nothing, you just fall on and turn up. One of the policemen said to me, saying, call fire station. Mr. Fire station, call fire station, and have no fire station can reach. We there more than 5 hours, usher, about 45 minutes up there. Everybody just take picture for usher, so. We're tired of JPS not doing a good job. Not even the fire station neither.
There was a major accident on the toll road, so probably that.
No, poor excuse. Poor excuse. Don't tell me that poor excuse. Look at the tree. They need to cut down the tree. Them and maintenance work. Them not doing a properly job. Only thing they know if they add up people and thief people money.
Alright, my viewers and subscribers. So you see what I talk about, people. She really angry, and I understand the frustration how she feel, because basically she know this young man very good, and maybe there was a close friend, close pal and thing. And anybody would have feel sad about a situation like this, people. You get what I say? Because it's not nice to see people lose them life, especially if you know say, yo, the man up on the hunting and try get some mango, or try pick some mango, and if you know see a situation that like this, people, yo, it's really sad, man. So now I have another incident now, people, and this one happened, couple days after the mango incident, and it's a current problem again. So that's why I'm telling people, listen, me I got, yo, alright, let's see if we just talk about this, then we just talk about we have to say this, because, yo, something right, something not right. But listen, alright. It is now where people, and man, young man again, Zine lost him life pertaining to JPS problem again because a wire was dropped down, basically rotten post and something or tree dropped down pan wire people in a bush and it blocked the road and thing, wire bust out, maybe it a flames, maybe it can lick you, maybe it can kill you and thing. So I have a voice recording also people, you know what I mean? Because we always get the thing that my viewers and subscribers, and it's based on the fact we're, you know, explaining what has really happened, because a lot of people getting the thing twisted about this incident now, people saying like this brother was in the bush trying to thief current, you understand? But no, somebody will know him good and say, yo, no, not like that. He wasn't trying to steal no electricity. You know what I mean? This man was trying to protect people's life. He was trying to save the children's life. He was trying people, and unfortunately, yo, things just got a bad way. So listen to the voice message, people.
No man, he never thief like. I want tree drop down and bust down the way, and the man in call JPS. And he come there and see it, and he say, and him say, I got ask the tape, say I tape up it. Man then tell himself he left it. I wait for JPS. Anyway, he say dangerous. I don't want to pit me, I walk past and then next thing nothing got him. He get tape and start tape here. Tape up where and tape up where I done, you know. And I put it out more in a corner, you know. And because through the bank wet, the current night and the wire just spin round upon him. You see me? Right in the interest. I just see on the video, man, you know, stop till him, you know, let him go so till every life support out of him. And my brother, man, I run a coffee piece, you know.
Well, viewers and subscribers, Zine, that are where them say go on, people. And for this video, people, me I tell you the truth. The first one with the mango thing, people, and for this one, yo, are two very gruesome and harsh thing them get, because with this one and now, people, me I tell you, say, the man itch up the wire holding people, and the man, they say the flames are burn the man, people, and they not let him go till everything suck out of him. Like he suck out every vein, every bloodstream, everything, people. They take out the whole line, skin, everything until the flames off of this thing top. Because I watch it, people when them on the ground and the fire did and them. But you know, this is current we are dealing with, people. And I tell us, yo, only just sees and he knows. But when I say, people, this man was really brave still, you know. Me current, that's not what I'm afraid of, you know. Me telling you that already. I'm afraid of current people, no joke. So I say, this man really brave people. If you know, say, yo, you know, him a go use a tape and tape up a wire like that, you know. Me don't know him brave, Zine. But unfortunately, people, man say, you know, him tape it, you know, and him just a try to move it now, like to put it over in the corner, and boy, something went wrong there, so people, and from there, so boy, him gone. Man gone in and shows people with him hot pan him head, see him way in the eye, sacks them, you know, man, boy, just current and something for ramp with, Zine. But what me I say now, people, and what me want to say, Zine, you know what this, in Jamaica, when we have any incident, people, look, you know, it's like a cycle, it continue on that part. Zine, if we have a victim, a man John, this week, by next week or top couple of days time, we see a next man get John, then I see another one. Zine, if we have a woman get murder, people, Zine, then 2 days you see another one. You know, if we see a 4 man get shot, 3 man get shot down there, then you hear continue, people. You see a deadly accident happen around there, then it continue. Now you hear about this electrical problem, people, Zine, and it keeps on continuing. It's a cycle. Viewers and subscribers, do you think these things are normal? Honestly, look in yourself and think. Just think this is just normal things been happening back to back. No. These are signs, people. These are signs. Honestly, people, when I watch them thing here, people, I sit down and I think, you know, before me even do them vlog here, people, because me get all of them something here, even with the bread out of the tree, people, me get it from a couple of days ago when it happened. The man yesterday thing, me get it yesterday, people, and me sit down, me think about these things before me come talk, and me pray them thing are deep. Zine, and when I look into them thing, people, me I say, no, say, yo, and that's a normal thing, and them thing are no natural, you know, Zine, because, yo, just look on the thing, people. Why after one? And there was even also another incident where them say took place at one facility, people. Like it's a, you know, some kind of health facility, and it's where electrical problem again. But luckily, nobody lost their life or no one get injured, you know, because they managed to contain this very quick. See, my viewers and my subscribers, me myself I'm talking to right now. See, draw closer to the Almighty. And it's no joke. If a man don't want to believe in him, if the man don't want to praise him, it's up to you, But all me can tell the people, draw closer to the Almighty. See? And, put a faith in him, people. Put a trust in him. Believe in him, people. He's real. See? And he keeps on showing us signs, people. And if a man decides him not going to live up the life to the Almighty, I'm telling the people, it's true, man. These are sign, people. Flames. But imagine, you hear about when them talk about the hell part people. You ever hear them tell us, say, you're just a bird and you can't dead. Fire does not take you. Just think about that, people. These man lost their life pertaining to current and fire and this and that, people, you know what I mean? But think about them gone and them still the day burn. See, life gone. But, viewers and subscribers, I can't tell them, people. See, just do the right thing. And signs there. My condolences to these two men, you understand? Man in the mango tree and man who try to protect the children, them. My condolences, people, and may their soul rest in peace. But only just sees and he knows, people. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, and JPS, please clean the wire them. When I make millions of Jamaican people, them. When the light bill them so high, Zine, go clean the wire them, man. Get man or get the one I use the resources them and go clean the wire them. See? Because it could have been another situation where, Pitney get killed. See? More than one Pitney come from school and got touch wire and see there. The man was trying to save them. So what happened, people? So JPS, go cleaning the wire them. No joke about it. Viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself, my people. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And you don't know, say, are the attacking boss there, my people. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. Giving thanks to life every day, people. Nah, give up. Full force to the attack. Fully attack. Big up, people.